Welcome back to Steel Mill Builds. As you can see, the body tub is gone. That went off to sandblasting. I should have that back in a week or two. So what we're going to do today is remove this rear section. First we're going to use this square tubing here to widen it out and then box it in so that we can put a small bed on the back. So I'm going to set you up. I'm going to do some grinding on the end of these tubes. We'll get them tacked in and squared up. And then we'll full weld it and then cut out the old section, which is this, where they had planned to use a leaf spring rear end. So stick with me and we'll get to work. Okay, welcome back. We had a little equipment failure. I guess the battery was dead on my camera and missed some footage. So here's where we're at. We finish welded the rear section for the turtle back. Did some cleanup on the mounts. Got these rounded off, got those rounded off, some cleanup on the welds. That's what we're going to continue to do. Mounted the ladder bars. Now what we're going to do is we'll finish the cleanup a little bit here, get the big chunks off, clean up where we're going to weld. We'll set the rear end and set a panhard bar. So that'll be our next video. So I'm going to cut you off from here and we'll see you at the next one. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Thank you for your time. Bye.